वेदार्थगुह्योज्ज्वलन प्रदीपं दीनाधमोद्धारमहादयाब्धिं वन्दे दयार्थे प्रभुपादनाथं गौरानुकम्पान्वितदिव्यभावं रूपोपदेशामृतदानदक्षं विनोदसिद्धान्तकृपैकभाजं वन्दे दयार्थे प्रभुपादनाथं संसारदुःखत्रयतापभाजां कामान्धसम्मोहितकर्मभाजां सत्त्वैकसञ्जीवनदिव्यवैद्यं वन्दे दयार्थी प्रभुपादनाथं चैतन्यकल्पद्रुमसत्फलानां चित्तेषु बीजानि मोदाजनानाम् आरोपयन्तं द्रुमपालकं तं वन्दे दयार्थे प्रभुपादनाथं यस्याननाब्जाधरिनाममन्त्रं श्रुत्वापि लोकाः परमं पवित्रं सङ्कीर्तयन्ति स्म परार्थमात्रं वन्दे दयार्थे प्रभुपादनाथं यस्यैकभक्त्या प्रकटीकृतायां कृष्णोऽवतीर्णो निजभक्तगोष्ठ्यां पुरा यथा श्रीवसुदेवपत्न्यां वन्दे दयार्थे प्रभुपादनाथं गोविन्दधामानि कलौधरण्यां संशुद्धचित्तेषु महाधमानां संस्थापयन्योऽपि समाश्रयं तं वन्दे दयार्थे प्रभुपादनाथं श्रीकृष्णसङ्कीर्तनवाहिनीनां सुखार्णवे यत् कृपयैव शब्दं नेमन्तुमेतत् भुवनं सुतप्तं वन्दे दयार्थे प्रभुपादनाथं रूपो यथा गौरमानोऽभिलाषम् अस्थापयल्लोकहिताय भूम्यां सिद्धान्तवाञ्छां कृतवान् तथा त्वं वन्दे दयार्थे प्रभुपादनाथं भवानुगानां विरहातुराणां त्वत्प्रेममग्नाशयचातकानां कारुण्यवर्षं तव दिव्यवाक्यं वन्दे दयार्थे प्रभुपादनाथं तमोहि दष्टा मम चित्तवृत्तिं प्रचारशक्त्या परया परार्थं सञ्जीवये साञ्जलिसेवनार्थं वन्दे दयार्थे प्रभुपादनाथं वन्दे दयार्थे प्रभुपादनाथं वन्दे दयार्थे प्रभुपादनाथम्।
गौरांग दिव्योक्ति दयाभिवर्षं वेदार्थ गुह्योज्ज्वलन प्रदीपं दीनाधमोद्धार महादयाब्धिं वन्दे दयार्थी प्रभुपादनाथम्. Offering my humble and respectful obeisances, I pray for the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, my master and protector, who profusely showers the mercy of the divine instruction of Sri Gauranga Mahaprabhu, and like a radiant lamp, brilliantly illuminates the most confidential meaning of Vedic literatures. Being an ocean of mercy, he uplifts the consciousness of even the most wretched and the lowest of the mankind. Gauranukampanvita divya bhavam rupopadeshamrita dana daksham vinoda siddhanta kripaika bhajam vande dayarthi prabhupada natham. Offering my humble and respectful obeisances, I pray for the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, my master and protector, who is imbued with the compassionate mood of Sri Gauranga Mahaprabhu, a master in disseminating the nectarian teachings coming in the line of Srila Rupa Goswami, and the recipient of the special mercy of his spiritual master Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur and of Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur. Samsara Dukha Trayatapa Bhajam Kamantha Sammohita Karma Bhajam Satvega Sanjeevana Divya Vaidyam Vande Dayarthi Prabhupada Natham. Offering my humble and respectful obeisances, I pray for the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, my master and protector, who is a transcendental doctor awarding fresh lives to those who are blinded by material lust, bewildered by illusion, bound by fruity work, and thus being consumed in the fire of threefold material miseries. Chaitanya Kalpadruma Satphalanam Chitteshu Bijani Muda Jananam Aropayantam Drumapalakam Tam Vande Dayarthi Prabhupada Natham. Offering my humble and respectful obeisances, I pray for the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, my master and protector, who is a transcendental gardener blissfully sowing seeds in the form of pure faith of the ripened fruit of the desire tree of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, which is love of Godhead in the hearts of people in general. Yasyana Nabjat Dharinama Mantram Shrutvapi Loka Paramam Pavitram Sankirtayanti Sma Parartha Matram Vande Dayarthi Prabhupada Natham. Hearing the pure chanting of the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, which is the highest process of purification in the age of Kali, from Srila Prabhupada's lotus mouth, even ordinary people started selflessly performing Sankirtan exclusively for the welfare of humanity at large. Offering my humble and respectful obeisances, I pray for the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, my master and protector. Yasyaika bhaktya pragati kritayam Krishno vatirno nija bhakta goshthyam Pura yathashri vasudeva patnyam Vande Dayarthi Prabhupada Natham. Sri Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, has incarnated in the society of devotees that has manifested by Srila Prabhupada's pure and unflinching loving devotional service. Just as how in the previous yuga the Lord appeared in the womb of Mother Devaki to reciprocate with her loving devotional service. Offering my humble and respectful obeisances, I pray for the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, my master and protector. Govinda Dhamani Kalau Dharanyam Samshuddha Chitteshu Mahadhamanam Samsthapayan Yopi Samashrayam Tam Vande Dayarthi Prabhupada Natham. Offering my humble and respectful obeisances, I pray for the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, my master and protector, who in the wretched age of Kali has established the abodes of Lord Govinda all over the world and also in many purified hearts, including of those amongst the lowest of mankind. Being a real and complete spiritual shelter, he continues to do so even now. Shri Krishna Sankirtana Vahininam Sukharnave Yat Kripayaiva Shaktam Nimangtum Etat Bhuvanam Sutaptam Vande Dayarthi Prabhupada Natham. Offering my humble and respectful obeisances, I pray for the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, my master and protector, by whose causeless mercy alone this world, burning in the fierce threefold miseries, may now drown in an ocean of bliss formed of the numerous rivers of glorification of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna. Rupo yatha gaura manobhilasham astapaya loka hitaya bhumyam siddhanta vancham kritavan tathatvam Vande Dayarthi Prabhupada Natham. Srila Rupa Goswami fulfilled the innermost desire of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu by establishing his mission in the material world for the welfare of humanity. Similarly, you Srila Prabhupada fulfilled the most cherished desire of Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur to establish Krishna consciousness all over the world. Offering my humble and respectful obeisances, I pray for the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, my master and protector. Tavanuganam Virahaturanam त्वत्प्रेम मग्नाशय चातकानां कारुण्यवर्षं तव दिव्यवाक्यं वन्दे दयार्थी प्रभुपादनाथम्. Your Chataka-like followers who are immersed in love for you feel pangs of separation from your physical presence. Their distress is alleviated by the outpour of mercy from the rain cloud of your divine instructions. Just as the pangs of thirst experienced by Chataka birds are alleviated by the water from the rain clouds. Offering my humble and respectful obeisances, I pray for the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, my master and protector. Tamohi dashtam mama chitta vrittim prachara shaktya paraya parartham sanjeevaye sanjali sevanartham vande dayarthi Prabhupada Natham. My inner life is bitten by the poisonous serpent of ignorance, and I am almost like a dead man. I pray for a renewed life filled with transcendental potency to preach the message of Krishna consciousness for the welfare of others. Offering my humble and respectful obeisances, I pray with folded hands for the mercy of service at the lotus feet of Srila Prabhupada, my master and protector.